Today, we will practice useful English in the beautiful lavender fields of Furano, Hokkaido.
This lesson is perfect for enjoying flowers, summer scenery, and travel English together.
We will see lavender fields, colorful flower gardens, local sweets, and a relaxing inn.
Furano is famous for its purple fields, refreshing air, and beautiful countryside views.
The English will be slow, clear, and easy to repeat.
Let's enjoy slow English in the lovely lavender scenery of Hokkaido. We finally arrived in Furano.
I was really looking forward to seeing the lavender fields.
The air feels so fresh here.
How do I say tanoshimi ni shite ita in English?
You can say, I was looking forward to it.
I was looking forward to it.
Perfect. That is a very useful phrase for travel.
The fields around us already look beautiful.
Yes, Furano already feels bright and relaxing.
I want to see the purple flowers soon.
Let's head to the lavender fields first.
Great. I am ready for a beautiful summer view. This must be the famous lavender field.
The flowers are so purple and beautiful.
How do I say hana ga totemo kirei in English?
You can say, the flowers are so beautiful.
The flowers are so beautiful.
Excellent. That phrase fits this place perfectly.
The purple color spreads all the way to the horizon.
Yes, it looks like a dream.
The fragrance of lavender is wonderful too.
I want to stay here for a while.
This is one of the most beautiful flower views I have ever seen.
Let's enjoy the colors slowly. There are many colorful flowers here too.
Yes, the garden looks so lively.
How do I say iro toridori in English?
You can say colorful.
Colorful.
Great. This flower garden is very colorful.
The different colors make the place feel cheerful.
I like the rows of flowers on the hillside.
It makes the scenery look very charming.
I want to walk all the way through the garden.
Let's take a slow walk and enjoy each view.
Good idea. Every angle looks photogenic. That lavender soft cream looks delicious.
Yes, it looks pretty and refreshing.
How do I say oishii so in English?
You can say, it looks delicious.
It looks delicious.
Perfect. That is useful when you see good food.
I also want to try a drink made with local milk.
That sounds very Hokkaido-like.
This cafe has a nice view of the fields.
Yes, it is a perfect place to take a break.
Travel feels even better with good sweets.
Let's enjoy our dessert slowly. The hills around Furano are very beautiful.
Yes, the view feels so wide and open.
How do I say keshiki ga hiroi in English?
You can say the view is wide.
The view is wide.
Excellent. That phrase is simple and useful.
The sky looks huge today.
The fields and mountains look great together.
I love this peaceful countryside feeling.
Me too. It makes me feel relaxed.
Let's stop here for a moment and enjoy the breeze.
Sure, this is another unforgettable view. This viewpoint gives us a great panorama.
Yes, the flower fields look amazing from here.
How do I say "Nagame ga subarashi" in English?
You can say, the view is amazing.
The view is amazing.
Great. That is a very useful sightseeing phrase.
I want to take a photo with the lavender behind us.
Me too. The colors will look beautiful in pictures.
The breeze feels so pleasant here.
It makes summer feel gentle and comfortable.
This place is perfect for memories.
Let's take one more photo together. I am getting hungry after walking so much.
Me too. Let's try some local lunch.
This restaurant looks cozy.
What do you recommend here?
That is a very useful phrase.
How do I say "Nani ga osusume desu ka" in English?
You can say, what do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Perfect. You can use it at any restaurant.
I want to try curry or an omelet made with local vegetables.
That sounds perfect for Furano.
Travel feels better with good food. There are many cute lavender souvenirs here.
Yes, I like the soaps and little sachets.
How do I say omiyage o kaitai in English?
You can say, I want to buy some souvenirs.
I want to buy some souvenirs.
Excellent. That is useful when shopping.
I might buy something with a lavender scent.
That would be a lovely memory of today.
I also want to send some gifts to my friends.
That is a nice idea.
This trip has been so relaxing and cheerful.
Yes, Furano feels gentle and colorful. The evening light is so soft now.
The flower fields look different in the evening.
Everything feels calmer now.
The purple color seems deeper now.
I want to come back again.
How do I say "mata kitai" in English?
You can say, I want to come back again.
I want to come back again.
Perfect. That is a great travel phrase.
Furano left a strong impression on me.
Me too. It was bright, fragrant, and peaceful.
This has been a wonderful day. Today was full of lovely summer colors.
Yes, the lavender fields were especially memorable.
I loved the wide purple fields.
Me too. The colorful flower garden was beautiful as well.
The local sweets and lunch were delicious.
And the hills of Furano felt so peaceful.
I learned a lot of useful English today.
Yes, and the scenery helped us remember the phrases.
Hokkaido has so many wonderful places.
I would love to explore more of it someday.
This trip made me feel refreshed.
It was a wonderful day.
Let's review the most useful phrases from today.
Sure, I'm ready.
I was looking forward to it.
I was looking forward to it.
The flowers are so beautiful.
The flowers are so beautiful.
It looks delicious.
It looks delicious.
The view is wide.
The view is wide.
The view is amazing.
The view is amazing.
What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
I want to buy some souvenirs.
I want to buy some souvenirs.
Thank you for joining our Furano English lesson.
We practiced useful travel English in the beautiful lavender scenery of Furano.
Furano gave us lovely flowers, refreshing air, and unforgettable views.
I hope this lesson made you want to visit Furano too.
Please repeat the phrases and use them on your next trip.
Slow practice will help your English grow naturally.
Let's keep enjoying English little by little.
Thank you for watching.
See you in the next lesson.
Have a wonderful day.